How can you adjust the brightness in the control center on the iPad? Let's talk about that. If you're new on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss anything. So the first step is to, of course, locate your control center. You need to swipe it down from the top right corner to make it show up. And your brightness slider should most definitely appear there by default, right? So you can see you can already grab it and adjust it. Or you can also hold down on it to make it go full screen and then change the brightness with a little better precision, I would say. However, it's also possible that you do not see it right away, in which case you can tap on the plus button right here, click on Add a Control, and you should be able to find it in here. So you will have the ability to add it if you deleted it, or if it somehow doesn't show up in your control center, you have the ability to re-add it later from this page customization, right? So this is how it works. Keep in mind that, of course, if you have the automatic brightness enabled, it can kind of mess with your settings. So I usually recommend people to go to the accessibility settings of their iPad, locate the display and its text size, and at the bottom we have the auto brightness. So up to you to decide how you want to have it, but at least know that the automatic brightness might be turned on, which will change your brightness settings according to the environment. So you might like it, you might not, so decide accordingly. But that's going to be about it from me. Let me know what you think below in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the future videos.